Let's see what the GPR Giza sounds like. Wow, riding, man. Okay. I forgot to tighten my helmet strap. Ooh, that's pretty damn dangerous. That's pretty damn dangerous. See you in a minute. There I am again. Now we can ride safely. To be a bit quiet here because of the horsey, the Mustang. I don't want it to get spooked off and hurt the children. I'm all about the love, baby. There's shit on the road here. Sorry, old man. I'm testing my exhaust. I think it sounds nice as well. Well, riding, but yeah, it sounds actually almost the same as my previous GPR muffler. So it was actually a done deal for me. But hey, there is an excuse to ride the bike again. Every opportunity you have to take. Enjoy this nice weather. Scooter bros, scooter bros. That was a kind of a beginner mistake I made there. There was a rock lying on the road and I was looking at it. But when you do that, you go right towards it. Baba. Baba. Pretty soon I get a Dyno tune with a Power Commander 5 and it's get tested on the Dyno, and I also have a Agostini Mandello crossover pipe coming towards me. I hope pretty soon. Because I don't know, it looks pretty nice and it has not it has a crazy bend in it like that, like that. range. Oh, a range. It's a Range Rover. No, not going to follow. Hello. Oh, there it is. I was looking for a tiny winding road. Let's see. Have to let me go first, you idiot. Yeah, you. What's happening up here? What's happening up here? Hurry up. She's a woman, but she walks like a man. Yeah, I'm excited what the result will be with the Agostini Mandello crossover pipe, straight crossover pipe, and Dyno jet tube. I don't think I would feel a lot of difference with the crossover pipe, but it looks a lot nicer. I also want to buy I don't know, I hope pretty soon some arrow headers, the titanium ones. They look so nice, and the shape of them is much more sporty than the original ones. Skater dude, skater dude. And then I have more or less make my own exhaust system with the arrow headers, titanium racing headers, the Agostini Mandello crossover pipe, and the GPR muffler. Oh, so God, I'm slow. Make up your mind where you're going. Straight ahead. I love this sound, dude. I wanted to say, so damn slow, dude, but of course the battery is empty because I changed it for a battery that was not full because I'm stupid. Yeah. So this was the GPR test video, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. I don't know if it's gonna be a garage video or a ride video, but you will see. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe please. Bye bye, Charlotte.